Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add Cron to Go jobs configuration as code to your Heroku app. To begin, we'll install Cron to Go in our Heroku app. Start by going to the app dashboard and then clicking the Resources tab. Then, type in Cron found under the Add-ons tab, pick the plan you want to start with, and click Submit Order Form. Now click Cron to Go to open its dashboard. There are no jobs defined yet, but by the end of this tutorial, we'll have some jobs created automatically as part of our app deployment. Make sure you have the Heroku CLI installed locally, since we'll be using it now to add the Cron to Go CLI build pack to the app. This is done by typing in Heroku in your terminal. If the outcome is an error, follow the instructions in the description to install it. To push changes to your app and add the build pack, run the following commands in your terminal. The build pack adds the Heroku CLI and Cron to Go CLI plugin to your app so that you can run CLI commands within your app to update your Cron to Go jobs. Then, add an environment variable to store your Heroku API key. Note that this will override any existing Heroku API key environment variables. At this point, you should have access to run Heroku CLI commands within the context of your app dyno. To ensure that it is working properly, run this command, which will run the Cron to Go CLI plugin using a one-off dyno in the context of your app. A successful response should show information about your Cron to Go add-on. If it happens to come up as an error, go back and make sure to repeat the procedure. Now it's time to create a manifest YAML file and add it to your code repository. The YAML defines all of the Cron to Go jobs in your app. Each job has a nickname, a schedule in the form of a cron expression, command to execute, dyno type, timeout in seconds, and an optional time zone. We'll store the manifest file in the app's root and proceed to create a release phase script. The release phase allows you to run certain tasks before a new release of an app is deployed and is useful for things such as database migrations or updating background jobs. This little script will run the Heroku CLI command to clear your app's job list and import the configuration from the manifest file. It is important to note that if a release phase task fails, the new release will not be deployed, leaving the current release unaffected. To ensure that Heroku is aware of the script and to use it in the release phase, we must add a line to our app's proc file. To add a release phase, add a line, such as the following, to your app's proc file. Finally, let's commit these changes and push them to Heroku. Now that our app is deployed, the jobs show up in our Cron to Go dashboard. From now on, every time we make changes to the app, our jobs will also be updated. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other tutorials to see what other cool things you can get done with Cron to Go.